What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Riker Buff 900 back with another one. So today we're gonna put on the light for the jockey shifter, also from Sling Mods. Okay, shout out to Can-Am, shout out to Sling Mods, shout out to Show Chrome. I'm trying to get it to look good. Did the lights yesterday. Today I want to do the LED jockey shifter light. So I got my light here. I got my alcohol pads, and let me tell you. I got on my bike last night and rode just for a short ride, see how I look with the lights. Oh, it felt so good. So without further ado, we're gonna get this popping, get this going. Alright, I think I need to take the panel off also. So let me get the tool for that. Alright, y'all, so we ready to rock and roll. So first thing we're gonna do, clean the surface. Let me see if they give me an alcohol pad. I didn't see one. But yes, it looked like they did. It's a little breezy out here, so I hope I'm able to no dirt get up in this joint. You know what I'm saying? So got your alcohol prep pad right here. I'm gonna do that first. Clean the surface. Real good. All the way down. I just hate because I'm outside and it's breezy. I hope the dust don't interfere with it. Let that sit and dry for a second. If anybody put lights in their wheels, put down a comment. Let me know how, if you did it yourself, how hard was it? Was it easy? How you like it? Are you glad you purchased it? Same with the jockey shifter. Anybody got the jockey shifter? I haven't seen anybody. I have noticed, even on YouTube. But if you do, let me know in the comments how you like it and what you did. Was it easy to install? Do you like it? Was it a good purchase for you? All right. And I got a couple more things to do also that I want to do. See the dust starting to get up on it. So let me do the primer now. Hey, how you doing? No. Adding lights. Dressing it up. Make it look good. So now I'm putting primer. I guess that helps it stick. The primer is gonna help it adhere. I'm assuming. I hope that's what it's for. Now I've seen on Sling Mods, their primer was a stick. So I'm hoping this works. Okay. Give it a second, let that rock. I guess you're letting it dry. Sealing. I guess it's sealing like the shine, the clear coat part off the bike. I'm assuming that's what that's for. Here's your modular box and your stick. You can unscrew this. Oh, I just unplugged it for right now because you don't need all this right now. And this is your remote. Now it's crazy. I have a remote already, so now I'm gonna have two remotes, and they're like the same color. Hope I don't get those mixed up. So now we got that done. We're gonna add the stick. We're gonna add the stick on the lights. So you peel off a little piece. Pause. Hat. I ain't got no nails. I think I got it. Okay. And you want to put it right at the top. Just like that. Right at the tippy top. You just take a little down at a time. Just take it a little at a time. I ain't take all the tape off. Just a little at a time. Take your time, no rush. And then there you have it. Hey, how you doing? Thank you, thank you. My neighbor coming through. It's the only reason why I hate doing this work in the parking lot. See everybody coming through. I figure I'll come out here early. I mean, they friendly. It's no biggie. You adhere it and make sure it's adhered good. Then I'm gonna take a zip tie to hold this last, hold this down at the bottom. I'll just wire the bend. I guess it can bend. Okay, yeah. Let me get a zip tie, hold that like that. Let that bend. Oh, let me get a zip tie. Know I got them ready. Oh, we got to have you trust these zip ties, boy. These are the best things. It's a hell of a invention right here. Whoever came up with zip ties, they knew the world was gonna need that. Definitely the world. That is very handy. Okay, that's good there. Now, you got your modular box right here. And you're gonna run this here along. You're gonna run this along the it's a groove for the modular box, and then you just screw it on. I'm thinking I should put some black tape there on that, just to cover it, so no moisture get in. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just hold on, let me get some black tape.